without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can get free Instagram followers. We will discuss 200% working solutions, and the solution number 2 that I will discuss with you works 110%. So you'd need not to miss solution number 2 for getting unlimited Instagram followers. So let's first move towards the solution number 1, which is you have to open up your Instagram application. Oh, sorry. First of all, you have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. This is linked with the solution number 1. If you don't do this, you may not be able to get free Instagram followers. So you have to open up your App Store or Play Store and go to the search button and write here, Instagram, and hit the search button. And when this Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all update your Instagram application. If your Instagram app is not up to date, this may not gonna work. So after updating Instagram, what you have to do is you have to open up your Instagram application, and next you have to go to your profile section by tapping on this little profile picture available in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next you have to tap on this dashboard button available under your DP. Tap on dashboard, and here you get an option, trending audio, under your tools. You have to tap on trending audio. So you have to notice these trending audios, and you can also save them from here. When you have done saving some trending audios, you have to go back and you have to create some reels or a post based on those trending audios. For example, if I go for a post and select a picture from here, for example this, and press the next button, here you get an option of audio. Tap on saved. Here you will get the trending audios that you have just saved. You have to select any of these audios and post a photo or reel, and you have to repeat this process for 7 to 10 posts or reels. This works the best with reels, but it can also work with posts. So when you will have posted 7 to 10 reels based on these trending audios, this will get an immense boost to your profile. This will blow up your Instagram profile, and more people will be visiting and following your Instagram account. This was the technique number 1 for getting the free Instagram followers by using the trending audio in your Instagram reels. You have to post 7 to 10 reels, and there you have it. But this method is so time consuming, and you will have to create content for it. So this leads us to the solution number 2, which works 150%, which is you have to open up your Instagram account, and after that you have to go to this search button and tap on this search bar at the top of the screen. And right here, how to official 0. And when this account appears up, you have to tap on it. This is my Instagram account. You have to message me here, and I will give you 1,000 Instagram followers for only $10. It can be any number you can get, 1,000 or 5,000 or 10,000 followers, just by messaging me here. And if you think I'm a scammer or I'm just lying, I can show you some proofs right here. These are some people who needed some kind of services, and I've successfully provided it to them. You can see in this chat, and also this one right here, you can see a successful deal here. You can read these chats, and these are the proofs that I have provided some services to other people as well. And also let me tell you that 1,000 followers will be given to your account in just 10 to 15 minutes. Just message me on this account and we will have a deep conversation. If you don't want to spend money on your Instagram account, you can go with the solution number 1 that is also a working solution. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments or on my Instagram account. See you in the next video.